a 55cc petrol weed eater or brush cutter in a boat, which is barely 42 inch. It's about 116, 112 centimeters according to my math. And motor puts out about 10 horsepower with my awesome exhaust, which is just a piece of pipe. Pretty loud, pretty good. Got no prop on it at the moment, but it's got all the drive set up. The suits a 80mm stainless steel or aluminium propeller. Prop with a decent sized rudder on it. Inboard drive system, which means it's a lot more efficient. Grease is kind of squirting out there at the top of the spring there, holding them together. But overall, it's not a bad boat. Still working on it, building it. Got it scratched as a hell. It's just going to be stuck on the exhaust just to make it look good, better like that. It's going to be part of the mount, so that's going to be stuck there. And then it's going to have something between here and here to hold it, so the engine can move, because it's on. You can see that it's on rubber mount, so I can move around a bit. You'll see that when it vibrates, it moves on that rubber mount there. Oh, it's got 4 of them. Building process officially. So I'll sit down and get it going.